Hello beautiful people, hi and welcome back to my channel. So on my today's video I will be sharing with you guys some of the easy hairstyles that you can do daily or when you want to go out. Also when your hair is not looking that great. These are my go-to hairstyles and I'm sure it will help you guys too.
1, 2.
So for the hairstyles you guys will be needing TikTok pins if you have those, or bobby pins, a rubber band, a scrunchie, this one is my favorite, and a hairband. So these are the things that are handy and are always useful for hairstyles. So let's not waste any more time and let's get right into the video.
I'm going to start off with a very simple and basic one, that is with a hairband. Just leave your hair open and place your hairband on top of your hair, and it just gives a very cute look. I am using a silk hairband here. For this one I'll be needing a rubber band in my hand, and then I'll divide my hair from one ear to another. So basically I am taking the fringes section of my hair. If you'll see, I have not taken completely the crown section of my hair, and just tie it with a rubber band. So I have neatly divided my hair and then tied it with a rubber band in a half high pony. Pull it a bit for volume and it's done. Another thing I like to do with the same hairstyle is take a fringe of the hair from the pony and twirl it around the rubber band and the pony, so that my rubber band is hidden, and secure it with a bobby pin. It looks really cute this way. So you can basically style your hair both ways in one and the same kind of hairstyle. This next hairstyle I like to do when the bangs or the fringes section of my hair, whatever you call it, starts acting out. You can partition your hair the way you like. I always like to do a side partition. So divide the section into 3 parts and bring the upper strand to the bottom and the bottom to the upper. So basically you are rolling your hair in the same manner. You can always do it the other way around as well, and that also looks very cute. Do this till the end and then take it backwards and secure it with a bobby pin. As I have naturally curly hair, this hairstyle really helps my bangs look settled on a bad hair day. Pull your hair from the top a bit if you want a puffier look. So now I'll take a smaller section on the other side of my partition and repeat the same, the upper strand to the bottom and the bottom to the upper. So this is a backward roll, and this method can be done on the bigger side of the partition as well, as I was saying earlier. Finish rolling your hair and then secure this side of the hair with a bobby pin as well, and you're good to go. So when you're having a bad hair day and your fringes just won't settle down, try this hairstyle out. Next one is not really a hairstyle, but I do this trick when I want my hair to fall on one side of my face. So first I gather all my hair on the side, and then the hair that is left behind, I divide them in sections and pull them sidewards on the top and then secure it with bobby pins. I continue doing that with the left section of my hair as well. Also basically when the hair from the behind is unmanageable, this helps my hair settle down. The next one is one of my favorites and also a side hair look, which is super easy. So I have taken all my hair on one side and tied it loosely with a rubber band, basically tying it into a low pony, and then take a strand of the pony and wrap it around the rubber band. You can just tuck the strand into the rubber band and you don't need to secure it with a bobby pin also. adjust the hair properly so that the rubber band is not visible. So this is how it will look, a low side hair pony. In this next hairstyle, I will be dividing my hair the same way I did previously in the half high pony hairstyle, from ear to ear, and neatly tie it. In the previous hairstyle, I had tied the rubber band twice to secure it. In this one, it will be a little different. We will tie it with a rubber band only once and leave it loose. What I'll do next is take the half pony and turn it and twist it around the rubber band like a bun, and then secure it neatly with some bobby pins. It's just the best hairstyle for me when I don't want hair on my face. The next one is a variation of the hairstyle I just showed when I don't mind hair on my face and I want to glam it up a bit. What I do is remove 2 strands from each side from the fringes or the crown section. So to settle the 2 fringes and make them look prettier, what I do is spray some water on them, and you can also apply a setting product, but I already have product on my hair and I don't need more of it. I will now finger coil the fringes after spraying water, and finger coil it nicely and then hold it for a few seconds. By doing this, it will really give a nice wave to the fringes and make it look really pretty. So for this next hairstyle also, I want the fringes to look the same way that they did in the previous one. I'm going to pull out my hair and tie my hair neatly into a high pony using a scrunchie here. Brush the pony with your hands from the back and it's done. So for the next one, I am going to pull my hair downwards and collect all of my hair so that I can get a nice high bun. Pull your hair through the scrunchie once, and the second time don't pull all of your hair out of the scrunchie. Only take it through halfway, so this is what it will look like. And the strands that are left out, you can neatly secure them with a bobby pin. So this is a messy high bun and it is my most favorite, and as you must be seeing, I have left the fringes the same way I did in the previous hairstyle. In this next hairstyle, I'm just going to divide my hair from the crown section and just push it a bit upwards to create a puff, and then secure it with TikTok pins. So what I'm going to do next is take a small section of hair from the side of my ear and roll it and then secure it with a bobby pin, and repeat the same on the other side. Take a small section, roll it and secure it near the puff with a TikTok pin or a bobby pin. I have left the 2 fringes here as well because it gives a very cute look with this hairstyle as well, and you can definitely do it without the fringes as well as per your liking. So another thing that can be done with this hairstyle is placing a hairband on the top, and this also gives a really chic look. So for this next hairstyle, basically what I'm going to do is make a side parting and then take a section of the hair and tie it into a braid, basically taking the fringes section and tie it into a small braid. So here I'll go ahead and take some section of the hair from behind and keep on adding more hair to the braid. It's basically what we do in French braid. So keep on adding more hair to the braid. So it will look like this after you complete the braiding. You can then pin it up under the hair, or I like to do it above. Loosen the braids a bit so that it gives a nice puffy look, and then secure it with bobby pins. You can always use a clip as well for this hairstyle. Take a small section of hair from the other side and roll it and secure it with bobby pins. I'm going to loosen the braids a bit more so that it gives a nice puffy look. And ta-da! So this next hairstyle is super easy, and I love to do it when I am feeling lazy and having a bad hair day. So what I'm going to do is pull my hair back and tie it in a loose pony. Then I'm going to take the pony, twist it a bit and coil it around the rubber band, and then neatly secure it with some bobby pins. Also here I'm not exactly going to remove fringes, but just remove few small strands, just using a comb here to neaten the hair from the crown area. And yay, it's done. So this next hairstyle, I had tried it and loved it. So I'm going to pull my hair down and gather it and tie it with a scrunchie like I had shown previously in the high bun hairstyle. But here when I pull the hair through the scrunchie for the second time, I'm going to leave the ends of the hair on my forehead. I just recently learned about this hairstyle because it's kind of like a trick when you don't have bangs and you want to make it look like it.
So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends, family, and show some love. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. It will help me a lot. So thank you for watching. Adios till then.